Is your GE Adora dishwasher not draining properly? You're not alone. Drainage problems are among the most common issues, affecting around 35% of all dishwasher service requests. Standing water in the dishwasher bottom, slow drainage during cycles, unusual noises, or error codes like E1 or E4 are key indicators that your dishwasher has a drainage problem. First, remove the bottom dish rack and inspect for standing water. Note the water level and clarity, and look for any visible debris that might be causing the blockage. Next, examine the filter system. Locate the cylindrical filter assembly and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Check for food debris, grease buildup, or any damage to the filter components. Clean the filter assembly thoroughly under hot water, using a soft brush for stubborn debris. For heavily soiled filters, soak them in warm soapy water before scrubbing. Inspect the drain hose for kinks, clogs, or improper installation. Ensure it has a proper high loop configuration and all connections are secure. Finally, test your garbage disposal by running it with water. This is a common integration point for drainage issues. Listen for proper operation and check that water flows freely through the system. By following these diagnostic steps systematically, you can identify and resolve most common drainage issues with your GE Adora dishwasher. Regular maintenance of these components will help prevent future problems. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your GE Adora dishwasher drainage issues, it's time for advanced diagnostics. These techniques will help identify deeper problems in your dishwasher's drainage system. First, listen carefully for unusual noises from the drain pump during operation. Normal pumps make a steady humming sound, but grinding, rattling, or intermittent noises indicate potential problems with the pump motor or debris interference. Next, inspect the pump housing for debris accumulation. Food particles, broken glass, or other foreign objects can block the pump impeller and prevent proper drainage. Always disconnect power before performing this inspection. Finally, verify the electrical power supply to the pump. Use a multimeter to check voltage at the pump connections. Insufficient power or loose connections can cause drainage failures, even when the pump appears to be running. Prevention is always better than repair. Implementing a regular maintenance routine will significantly reduce drainage problems and extend your dishwasher's lifespan. Let's establish effective maintenance schedules. Establish a monthly maintenance routine with 3 key tasks. First, remove and thoroughly clean the filter assembly under hot running water. Second, run an empty cycle with dishwasher cleaner to remove buildup. Third, inspect all drain hose connections for tightness and proper positioning. Every 3 months, perform a deeper maintenance routine. This includes professional-grade filter cleaning with specialized tools, comprehensive garbage disposal maintenance, and thorough inspection of all drainage components for wear or damage. Understanding success rates helps set realistic expectations. Do-it-yourself troubleshooting has a 75 to 80% success rate for most drainage issues. Professional repairs achieve over 95% success rates, making them worthwhile for complex problems. By focusing on preventive maintenance, you can significantly reduce drainage problems and extend your GE Adora dishwasher's operational life. Regular care prevents 85% of common drainage issues, saving both time and money in the long run.